Hi guys, this is Steve with Grabo, and today we're going to show you the brand new, never before seen rock seal. So, the rock seal comes with a thicker design to allow you to receive surface adhesion on rougher surfaces. Simply stated, an old Grabo with a standard seal will not adhere to this surface because it has too many variations in the surface height. So, to replace the seal, simply pull it out like so. Insert the new rock seal. Make sure it's in there on both sides. Now, as you can see, this picks it up no problem, keeps it suction. This will get the job done with your heavier pieces of rock and have more variations in the surface height. Keep up the good work out there. Have a great day, guys.